Hey guys, today I have got a commercial freezer for sale. It's made by Minus 40. Give you the model number here. Let me zoom in on that model number for you. You can pause and read that, research that if you want. Let's see, while we're at it, just go ahead and show these up. Sitting there, -10. Also sitting there about -10. And I've been fanning the doors just a little bit. I already took all the pictures and everything, but I've got it set here about -10. So everything is set right where it's supposed to be. And once again, this is a freezer. It has temperature degrees. You can set all of that, and there's a lot of programming and stuff. Of course, all that's available for free that you can download online. Measurements wise, this thing is huge. Okay, it is. Had to double check my measurements real quick. Okay, 78 3/4 inches tall, and then going across here, the width is 50 inches across. And then deep, it goes back 31.5 inches back. So it's huge. It's heavy. It will hold a lot. Let me go ahead and open this up. And it is super cold. You have 3 fans that run up there to circulate the air. Tons of space. These are adjustable. You can move these up and down however you want. I mean, there is just a ton of space. You've got the drains on the bottom. It's auto defrost and all of that. You can hear it pressurizing the second you close the door, and it does that because it's a freezer. Regulates that pressure. This could be swapped out if you wanted it to put something else up there. Comes out pretty easily. Otherwise, I stripped all the other stickers and stuff off. Not really a whole lot else to say about it. I've had it running quite a few days, made sure it goes through all the cycles, defrost cycle, all that stuff, and it's running perfect. Sounds great. I know that when you put these things in, I was reading through the owner's manual, which is available for free online. You have to tilt it back a little bit, and there's adjusters down there, and that isn't, I don't have it set up that way right now, just because the floor is kind of uneven in here. I didn't really mess with all that. But that way, when if someone were to open the door and let it go, it would close on its own. I just noted that in the manual, and I thought, oh, I don't have it set up that way. But other than that, heavy. You're gonna need help to load it. Took 3 people to get it on my trailer. And I'll be honest, I will not be delivering this. Not in a position to load this thing back up and take it back out. So you're gonna need to bring your own people, trailer, all that good stuff to get loaded up. It's big, it's heavy, but totally worth it. So I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.